I'm Brad.
And I'm Caitlin. We're going to be covering our materials on how to write a cover letter. We've got a total of 3 videos, including this overview.
In my video, we will go over what goes into a cover letter and why they are needed. Caitlin's video is going to review each section of a cover letter in detail.
Our videos can be used in conjunction with our handout and PowerPoint, but all our materials were also made with the thought that they could be used independent of each other. Because of this, the videos, PowerPoint, and handout are all very similar in their presentations.
The videos can be viewed by students on their own. However, it would be helpful if they had handouts to view as they watch and take any notes.
We would also recommend the videos be used in place of the PowerPoint for student viewing.
As you watch our videos, we would love for you to take notes on any adjustments you'd like to see. Our materials are intended to help your students better understand cover letters. So if there are any aspects you think we would do better for your students, we would like to be able to make those adjustments.
It can be something as small as making changes to colors, adding callouts, or something larger, such as our sound quality needing to be a little more clear. While we may not be able to get to all your suggestions, we will do our best to get the most pressing issues corrected.